Yes, we are.
Thank you very much. Well done for sponsoring the event. Did you have fun?
We had good fun. It was a bit wet, but we're happy now.
Tell me about the car.
It's a Dion Bouton 1901. Very good runner, and yeah, no problems.
You're here. Well done. Thank you very much.
But like, if you think back and forth, the All Blacks,
Another Dion Bouton. Hello. Hello. Tell me about your car.
The 1902. Yeah, we had a run down. We got soaked coming out of London, but it did us a bit good. Second half we tried out. Wonderful run, very well organised, and a pleasure to be here today.
Thank you very much.
Come on, come forward. MMC just came out the other end of the factory. Daimler's factory and MMC at one end, and Daimler's at the other end. Let's have a word with the gentleman. Good day. Hiya, you okay? Good. Fantastic. So tell us what you're driving.
It's a 1902 MMC.
Two twin cylinder.
Yeah. 3-speed. And a V6.
I mean, this car's done the run for many years, and it just looks beautiful.
Spot on, it is.
Spot on. Well done. Congratulations.